Hi, my name is Johanna Nieves. I am part of the Business Administration program. I developed the activity teaching you a lot about the festival in my region. The festival is the Francisco de Mayo. Okay, the festival is celebrated in the department of the La Guajira in the municipality of Riohacha. This is Riohacha City. Okay, Riohacha. For the last week of March, the festival, Francisco Festival Main, is a cultural project within an annual recognition of contemporary vallenata music in institutionally. Some of the choose who stand out their best performer. Uh, um, this page, the festival Francisco Main, um, then you can information for us about the festival with other version. Um, um, okay, and videos about festival with other information of interest regarding the activity about festival Francisco de Mer. Okay, I invite you to festival Francisco. Look about the festival.
Nuestra tarima única, rica, y las nuevas canciones vallenatas del país. Nuestra tradición.
Okay, thanks.